G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's cooking time once again, and today I'm whipping up something that, well, to some people might sound like it could be a little bit disgusting, but in fact, it's a taste sensation. It's the beetroot, feta, and spinach omelette. Super simple to make, tastes amazing. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. So for this, all you're going to need is a couple of eggs, some feta, some beetroot, and some baby spinach or normal spinach. I'm just going to pick the ones out of this mixed leaf bag. And of course we're going to be needing some butter. Ooh, I love this stuff. Did you know that butter is healthier than a whole packet of potato chips? That could quite possibly be a true story. Alright, well first, let's just crack a couple of eggs, minus the shell, into a bowl. We'll just give that a whisk. You might want to add some milk if you got some, just a little dash. I don't actually have any milk. I stopped drinking it because I can't afford it. Well, I was only using it in my coffee really, and then I started drinking black coffee to save money. Right. Now grab your bag of lettuce mix and we'll search through here. Most of this is spinach. I mean, look at it. It's just everywhere. And we'll pick out the spinach and we'll chuck that in. You can buy bags of spinach. It's got a black bit, I'll get rid of that. So if you want to use that, go right ahead. In fact, you can buy bags like this with the beetroot already in it. You know that salad mix stuff? So grab yourself some of that. It'll be a whole lot less messy, that's for sure. So I'll put these back in here. Tidy as you go, that's what I always say. Now, we'll get some beetroot here. You won't need too much. And I'll just pat it dry so it's not too liquidy, because otherwise it'll probably stain all the egg and make it look a bit funny and less appetizing than you probably think it's already going to be. And we can just like cut it into slices like this. Boom! That's easy. Now I am cooking it in the frying pan today. This one's probably a little bit too big, but the only other one I've got is way too small. But I have heated it up. I wonder if it's... Oh! Oh! Yeah, that's hot enough. Might actually turn it down a bit. And we'll stick some butter in. Oh, that smells so good already. Too bad I'm burning it. So now I'll just pour my egg and spinach mix in. Now you could have added the beetroot in, but oh look, you know, it might stain it too much and make it look unappetizing. So I'll just add it in now. That's looking good. And I've moved it to one side of here. And on the same side I'll add my feta. You could crumble it up if you want it smaller. But at this stage of the morning I am starving. I ain't got time to crumble. And that's looking already a bit dry on the sides there. So now all I need to do is flip it in half. I'll just turn the stove off now and they can just sit there and heat up inside for another minute, I'd say. And that's ready to tuck on in. Alright. Oh, some gooey feta here. Yum. Oh, that smells good. Anyway, let's dive on in, because I am starved. Oh, mate. I'm loving the saltiness of that feta. And the beetroot flavour mix in really well. Beetroot and cheese is perfect, but the saltiness of the feta is delicious. The beetroot flavour isn't strong at all. Once it's cooked, it sort of tones it down and it just tastes so good. Nice and salty. Nice and healthy too. Tell me, is this something you would try? If you said no, then you're crazy! Anyway, it really is tasty, and if you try it, you're gonna love it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Yeah.